Manitoba has some of the most beautiful murals in the country, and Transcona is no different. Over 20 of them with a brand new tour and some brand new murals. Jen is joining us once again. I guess it's not a new tour, but there's some new murals, so there's always something to explore.
Yes, we were just told that there will be 2 new murals added to downtown Transcona this summer, and those will absolutely be incorporated into our murals walking tour.
And an hour and a half of a walking tour, a beautiful way to spend an afternoon. Tell us about what people can expect.
So on the murals walking tour, we look at both historic and contemporary murals that were painted over the past 30 years in the downtown here. Our historic Transcona tour looks at the history of this downtown area, and our Devil's Strip, which is our brand new walking tour. So that's a tongue-in-cheek kind of walking tour looking at some fun aspects of Transcona's history, like bootlegging, prohibition, the red light district. So topics like that.
You know what? I kind of touched on it early in the 7 o'clock hour, but maybe I'll ask you to explain a little bit. There was a part about different areas of the city kind of going after each other, saying, no, this is your thing, the red light district. This is your thing. This is your thing.
Yes, so briefly, where the red light district was located, it was kind of on the border between Transcona, Kildonan, and Winnipeg. So there was a lot of finger pointing between the different communities as to whose responsibility it was to kind of deal with this district. And they went and counted houses and like, oh, 2 are in Transcona, 7 are in Kildonan, so it's not a Transcona problem. So, yeah.
Some things never change in cities in Canada. Okay, I want to talk about the art because it's stunning. It's captivating. These here are the contemporary pieces. What does it mean for local artists to be able to showcase?
It's, you know, adding color and vibrancy and pride to the community here. And they're fun talking points, and the mural walking tour is a very popular tour that we give. And it's just adding a new dimension to Transcona's history here, both the historical murals and their connection to historical moments of Transcona, and then the contemporary art scene here in the community. So it's a fun, different walking tour that people don't expect here.